Hello everyone, this is Ling Ling. Today I'm going to share with you healthy practice in Chinese traditional medicine. It's called a clapping 8 weak spots. What are the 8 weak spots? Inside your elbow, 2. Under your arms, okay, 2. And then your between your legs and your body, okay, the connection part. And the last 2 are behind your knees, okay, behind your knees. So you can see these 8 weak spots. They call it weak spots because your organs, okay, you cannot see them, right? So what if they have problems? How would you know? So they have manifestation. They show up on your outer system. So you can see. So these 8 places corresponds to your organs, and if the organs have problems, you will see them. And in return, if you take care of those places, you take care of your organs. So this is a very simple practice. And basically you clap, use you see my hand, kind of a little bit curved, yeah, curved hands. And then you clap on those spots, you see, right? Okay, so every day, if you can clap each spot, 49 times, okay, like this, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's 40 times. You do to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and go on. And then after your 2 elbow creases, you go to your underarm. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then do 49 times. Same thing to the other side, okay? And then you go to your body and your leg connection. And these areas, they have lots of lymphatic system, right? We all know that from the Western medicine. But in Chinese, it's it's more than just lymphatic. It's also your meridians. So by clapping these areas, you're helping the meridian to deblock and then also help detox. So when the water is running, the water won't become stinky, right? But if the water is not running, sitting there for a long time, it will become dirty, stinky, bugs will grow, yucky things will grow. So same thing with our body. Your liquid needs to move, okay? So you can do this like this 49 times. And then lastly, do behind your knees. Okay, you got it? 49 times each place. And you can do this 1 to 2 times a day. Okay, this is very healthy. Whether you want to lose weight or just be healthy, you can do this. All right, thank you. Hope you can do it every day.